You may have wondered how you could possibly make your awesome safe even better. Well, the best way to make something feel more personal is to customize it. Here at Liberty Safe, we have plenty of accessory options to choose from to help make your safe exactly what you want it to be. Here's our top 5 accessories for your safe. This is a special item for all you gun lovers out there. Don't quite have enough budget to buy a second safe yet? Buy a pack of our rifle rods. Using a hook and loop fastener on the end of the rod goes down your barrel and allows the gun to stand up in the middle of your safe. This will help you fit even more guns inside. On a planet where 71% of the surface is water, you can probably guarantee there's moisture in the air. That moisture will get inside your safe. Moisture leads to mold and rust. To fight that, we highly recommend adding a Peet Air Circulating Dehumidifier to your safe. This device absorbs humidity and releases it as dry air. Adding one of these will save you a lot of pain and money down the road. Depending on the safe you own, it may be rather dark inside. Adding a Clearview Light Kit to your safe will definitely help you see everything. Using wand lights and a motion sensor, you'll be able to see everything when the door is open and rest easy knowing the lights are off when the door is closed. We have an excellent video to demonstrate proper installation of these lights. Our premium safes already come with an outlet installed, but if you own one of our budget-friendly safes, upgrade it by adding an electrical outlet kit. This will make it possible to plug in dehumidifiers, lights, or anything else that requires power without running an extension cable through your door. The kit comes with detailed instructions on how to install it, and we also have a great how-to video for this installation as well. Some safes come with our cool pocket pre-installed in the door, but that may not be enough. We also offer additional cool pockets that you may place inside your safe. Using a fabric and foil liner, documents stored in a cool pocket will be further protected from heat damage during a fire by up to 50 degrees. Although fires don't happen all the time, having documents in a cool pocket gives you that added peace of mind. That's it for today. Do you agree with our top picks? Let us know down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Be safe out there, and we'll catch you later.
Cool pocket.
And hot pocket.